I'm filming.
Good. Alright. Say hi to Mom. All that. Yeah. Say hi.
Hi.
Very nice, guys.
Yeah.
Hey, baby. What are you doing?
Hey, get on the street. Come here. Hey, get on the street. Good girl. Good girl.
I got you.
Hey, that's too big.
That was good, Kate. That one was loose enough that it just crumbled and went down his shirt when it busted. Careful, not so close.
Look out, Val.
I know what's going to happen.
Good catch.
Don't aim for my butt, please.
Yeah, don't make them too tight.
Ooh, make hay. You almost got him on that one.
Inside.
Hi, Snowman, Mama. That's you. It's you.
That's me.
Daddy. Hit me.
Go stand on the other side of your little snowman so we can truly see how big he is. Stand behind him. See, walk around behind him. Walk this way. That way.
Did you see the roof?
Yeah, I see it. What did you do? Throw one up there and it fell off? Rolled off?